Have you ever wondered if the world you see is the same for everyone? What you consider real seems to have well-defined qualities. Some things are big, others small, some are hard, others soft. But what if I told you that all these qualities depend entirely on your perception? In this video, we'll explore why there is no objective world independent of you, the observer. Imagine a chair. To you, it's a common object, not too big, not too small. But to an ant, that same chair is a colossal structure, immense and unreachable. For a neutrino, a subatomic particle, the chair is mostly empty space. Its atoms are so far apart that the neutrino can pass right through. And if you looked at the chair from outer space, it wouldn't be still, it would be spinning with the Earth at 1,600 kilometers per hour. Everything depends on how you look at it. The qualities we assign to objects are relative. If you think a chair is red, you can make it look black by looking at it through a green filter. If it weighs 2.5 kilos, that weight can be reduced to 1 kilo if you take it to the moon, or increased to 50,000 kilos near the gravitational field of a dense star. This means there are no absolute qualities in the physical world. Everything depends on how you perceive it. What we perceive is only a fraction of what truly exists. The human nervous system captures a tiny part of the total energy in the world. For us, the world is full of colors and sounds, but a bat experiences a world of ultrasound, and a snake perceives infrared light. Their worlds are just as real as ours, but they perceive things that we cannot. Physicists call this a quantum soup in flux. Out there is only raw, formless data waiting to be interpreted. We, through our senses, freeze that soup into the solid, three-dimensional world we know. According to neurologist Sir John Eccles, there is no color, sound, texture, or design in the natural world. These qualities exist only in our minds. The world we think of as objective is actually an interpretation created by our senses. But this doesn't just affect how we perceive the external world, it also impacts our inner lives. For example, in many cultures, retirement at age 65 marks the end of a productive life. This perception has real effects. After retirement, rates of illnesses like cancer and heart attacks increase dramatically. This is called death by early retirement. It's not that your value as a person changes, but the perception that you are no longer useful deeply affects your health. If perception has this much power over our lives, it can also change how we age. Instead of letting the body function on autopilot, paying conscious attention can make a significant difference. Techniques like meditation or biofeedback have shown that we can lower blood pressure, manage stress, and improve health. Why not apply this same principle to aging? Changing our perception could also change the way we age. In conclusion, the world doesn't exist as something objective and independent of you. Your perception shapes it, and that means you have the power to change your world, your body, and your life. It all starts with how you choose to see reality. What changes will you make in how you perceive the world?